Vivek Shukla. I am research scholar at the University of Allahabad, and my topic presentation is the cultural landscape of Sarnath and inscriptional approaches. Sarnath, very prominent site of Buddhist culture, Buddhist religion. But I see at different times Sarnath is also place of a cultural harmony for a social harmony, because this not is a prominent center of Buddhism. He is also prominent center of Sarnath, is a prominent center of Jainism, Shaktism and Saivism, because Kasi is near about 8 to 9 kilometers of approximately Sarnath. The Sarnath situated in Varanasi, approximately 8 to 9 kilometers far from Caen railway station. This place has an important place in world history as well as in Buddhism, because Lord Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon at the place. Buddhists kept deep regard for the place. In Buddhism, Sarnath is also known as Rishipatan or Mrigdao. This is a brief introduction about Sarnath. The very first record for the visit and donation at Mrigdao is of the time of Mauryan Emperor Ashoka in Rock Edict 8. The king addressed as Priyadarshi, which claimed to have initiated in his 10th regnal year Dhamma Yatra, the pilgrims instead of Vihar Yatra, which were taken for amusement by the earlier kings. He is further said to have initiated this tradition by visiting Sambodhi or Bodh Gaya, where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. Another epigraphic record, which also is significant for the present theme, is Roman Day records, in which he is said to have visited the place of birth of the Lord and felicitated the pilgrims by constructing monuments. Sarnath or Mrigdao being one of the 4 places associated with the life of Buddha. The reference of Divyavadan is significant as it records his visits to the Buddhist sites and also donation of buildings. The Divyavadan, for instance, mentions Ashoka as intimating to Upagupta his desire to visit the place connected with the Buddha's activities and also erect stupas there. The inscriptions on the lion capital pillar is in Brahmi script of Ashokan time and was originally of 11 lines, of which the upper 3 lines are damaged. The intact portion of the epigraph mentions the verdict of the emperor regarding Buddhist Sangha and is translated as below. His Sacred Majesty King Priyadarshi at Pataliputra, the church is not by anyone to divide it, but whosoever monk or nun shall break up the church shall be made to don white robes and made to dwell in another dwelling. Thus would this command brought to night in the order of monks and in the order of nuns. This because epigraphical records of Sarnath start to Mauryan time, then Sunga and Kushan, and after Gupta period, then early Gupta period. I have recorded 42 inscriptions, but all major inscriptions is only 7 major inscription and very small and teeny inscription of He Dhamma Hetu Prabhava, the donated inscriptions. But my observations regarding this whole study of my research paper, this is very prominent thing is a near site of Ashapuri, as a 7 or 8 kilometers near in Sarnath. One small inscriptions on the sculptures of Hariti, and another inscription is a Saiva inscription. His mentions Rishipatan is the place of also worship of Lord Shiva, but these inscriptions on the epigraphical and calligraphical background later period is later than Kushana period. Then another portion, my paper, this Vihara and ornament to earth, the round of which consists of 9 segments, was made by her. Later period, this is Kumar Devi, and this appropriating name of, because Sarnath is a now recent name of Sarnath, like that small temples of Saranganath. Saranganath is a Shiva temple, Saranganath. Then later period is a Saranganath too, then convert to Sarnath. But is it appropriating the ancient name of Sarnath? Is this small ceilings uh, during excavations, Dayaram Sahni, after excavation, found small ceilings. It's called Sadharma Chakra Pravartane, Sadharma Chakriye. This was the complete version of the name, occurring partly on the seals and the Mahipal inscription. It further suggests involvement of the lay followers in the uplift of Mool Gandhakuti. This evidence shows Sarnath as a many time Sarnath name has changed to variously that recent and ancient time, because it's Buddhist literature and Pali literature mention Sarnath name is Rishi Pattan and Mrigadav. Then after Mahipal inscription and some Gupta seals and sealings mention this name of Sadharma Chakra Pravartane. This after conclusion, this paper have been talked about Sarnath, its cultural landscape through inscriptional approaches, Mauryan time to early medieval. This paper has been also talked about the life of Gautam Buddha from Dharma Chakra Pravartan and to appropriating the ancient name of Sarnath and through early medieval name Sadharma Chakra, which continued to 2.5 centuries. The main objective of this research paper is try to understand Sarnath is not only a place of Buddhist, it is also a one of multicultural landscape of high cultural importance. I express sincere gratitude to Professor K.K. Thapalial, sir, and my esteemed Guru, Professor Ramika Rangan, and thank you.